Hi, I'm Celeste from Sawblade.com, and welcome back to another product overview. I'm going to tell you why our Renegade 14-inch chop saw is the go-to saw for all of your metal cutting needs. The Renegade 14 is an economical solution for DIY users looking for professional results at a fraction of the price. This machine offers versatility, cutting a wide variety of materials, including ferrous and non-ferrous metals that are up to 5 inches in diameter. The Renegade 14 is equipped with a Renegade 66-tooth blade that will tackle projects that requires cutting metals ranging from an 1/8 to a 1/2 inch wall thickness. The stamped steel on both the vise and base of this machine make for a lightweight construction for on-the-go portability. It also features a 0 to 45 degree mitering capability on a vise swivel, making quick work of those miter cuts. This machine's carbide cutting technology is what allows it to cut a wide range of materials cooler and faster, cutting over 4 times faster than your standard chop saw and 8 times faster than a bandsaw. You also don't have to worry about a diminishing cut depth because the diameter of the blade will never change, unlike your conventional abrasive chop saws. Sawblade.com carries an extensive line of sawing products at factory direct prices. So what are you waiting for? Log on to Sawblade.com for all of your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.